Hey guys, and welcome to DoAfCo.com. So this is the second lecture of our operating system series. So here we are going to talk about how to schedule a process. So earlier I've only told you how to create a process. So I forgot to tell you that why we used while one in that process. So we used while one in that process because if we create a simple C program with just hello world, then that program would have existed for a very short period of time, and then till the time we open top or ps, that program has already gone, so we will not be able to see that process. So every executable thing will be a process, but we need to maintain the time so as to see it and do experiment on it. That's why I've put a while one in this. So in this lecture we are going to talk about how we are going to schedule a process. So we are going to talk about how to schedule a process. So all we need to do is to first go to sudo mode, that is super user mode. So after this we need to go to the directory where our programs are saved. So mine are here. So then you need to do ls to find. So we have two programs, that is hello.c and fun.c. So if you see, this hello.c is simple while one with no print. So we have not used print so that it would execute easily without hanging. Then we have this another program, that is fun.c, that is very similar to our older program. So since we are not calling any function, so it's similar to that only. So after this we need to compile those programs. So since I have already compiled them, so I need not to compile them again, but still I'm showing you that what you need to do. So you will get the executable. So after this you need to put these two processes in same CPU so as to see the differences. So for this all we need to do is to put them using a utility called taskset. So I think I've already used that utility, so it would be there. So it's here. So this is the process ID, that is 2797. Then we have another. So this is the process ID. Now if we'll do ps and click on D, so here we have these two processes and they both are in same processor, that is processor 0, and they both are using the scheduling policy, that is TS. So if we'll do Q, click on Q, you will quit. So now you need to change the scheduling policy from time sharing to FF if you want to do. Then there is another system utility called chrt. So yeah, here it is. So we did that again for fun. So in chrt we have this F, that is for the scheduling policy that we are going to use. F is for FCFS, and we have given the priority, then we have set it. So now if we'll see it in on PS, so yeah, so this is our new one. So these are of FF. Yeah, so fun FF priority 10 or hello FF priority 10. So this 10 is real time priority, that is RT prio. So this is how we have changed. So if you do man chrt, then you will find everything about the options. So if you want to use FIFO, then you need to do F. If you want to use RR, that is round robin, then you need to do R. If you want to use batch, then -B, that is option B. So I've quit. So there is another So how can kill the process is using this kill all and name of the process. So this is how we have killed the process. Similar way you can kill fun. So if kill both the processes, now they no longer will be visible. So all the processes are killed. So you can also see on the top the processes are killed. So if you again create them and do top, then you can see that this is your fun and the priority here, and what are the CPU percentage it is taking, that is 99, because this is FF. So since this is FF and we have first created fun, so the fun is oldest in the queue, so the process that is oldest in the queue will take the CPU. So that's what happening. So as simple as that you have. So now after this, if you'll do top, now hello has come and it is taking 100% CPU cycle. That is our FCFS V4. So after this we can also experiment with time sharing policy. So for that we need to kill our processes. So for time sharing we have another utility called renice. So yeah, here is our renice. So for that we need to first create these policies using taskset. Yeah, then fun. So now we need to do renice. So renice is back there somewhere. Yeah, so here you need to put the nice value. So nice value is 10 and then -p, then you need to put the process ID. So it is 2841. so the old priority was 0, the new priority is -1 and 42. So if you want to change the priority, make it 1. So now if we'll do PS, then you can see that they both are TS and their priority, that is nice value, is -10 and -1. Now if you do Q and do the top, then you will see that they are sharing the CPU. That is fun is since its priority is only -1, so it will take less CPU, because the more minus the value is, the more priority it would be given. So it is using 88% of the CPU cycle, hello, and fun is using only 11 to 12% of the CPU cycle. So hope you understand the video. Stay tuned to my blog. Please like, share and subscribe, and do read everything that is written on the blog.